Yeah, right by the elevator.
All right, we get to our room. All right, so there's our room. Turn the lights on.
I'll do it.
I'll get in here real quick. I'll drop my bag off. So this is similar to what we had before. I'll work from the back front this time. I know, I kind of like the view. Nice couch. Mini bar. Access to. Pinch my fingers.
The only signal that requires you to act is the general emergency signal.
Turn this off. Oh, you can order breakfast. Well, I guess you can order the mini bar if you wanted. TV, small.
But I may have to come back sooner than later, but that's okay.
Last time our bed was hard. I think it's gonna have to. We'll have to fix the bed.
Something's not right about this, Chris. Look at the back of your
No, this is a nice room. Wish the bed was over there though.
Yeah.
Just check out the.
What did you lose for him?
So we got 2 drawers and
And so what is he?
3 shelves, 3.5 shelves in the safe, and closet. Kind of small. Okay. All right, so we'll just check out the.
Black
water
is.
or a bigger
We get
bottle
free,
of water?
we get champagne that we'll share with you. Oh, you don't.
I don't
like
drink champagne.
He doesn't like it either. So we,
So
and then I think
this
we get
is
seed or something, we'll share that. And then we get the spa.
in the shower.
Yeah, that's,
Restroom's not too bad.
that's what John
So yeah, this is actually a lot like our last room that we had on the MSC. Except we had balcony last time. But anyway, yeah, it's ain't too bad. It's a little small, but it's all right.
I don't think it's that small. I think it's nice.
I think it seems smaller than
we
last time
had
because
a
we had a balcony last time. It
Yeah.
made it seem bigger,
But I think it's great.
but it's yeah.
Yeah.
I just didn't like the bed last
I don't-
time.
yeah.
We'll have to
We'll
What
have to see how we can get the bed
see if
on
he
the
can
other
put a
side.
cushion on it or something underneath because it's like sleeping on a concrete pad. It was horrible. Anyway, that is our room. I know it's kind of fast. I apologize, but you kind of get the gist of our room. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Otherwise, hey, thanks for watching.